Morning, students. I hope you all are well, healthy, and fit, and enjoying your holidays. In the last lecture, we talked about the eating habit of different animals. So, in today's lecture, we start a new topic. In today's class, we will talk about how animals adapt the environment for protection from predators. We will also talk about a new concept of hibernation, migration, and extivation. So let's start with adaptation for protection. As we know that adaptations means the process of changes or undergone by an organism to be able to survive in different conditions. So basically adaptation means the animals accept the changes of the surrounding for protection means adaptation. Some animals adapt to stay safe in their environment. Animals have to protect themselves from predators. So who are predators? So predator an animal that lives by killing and eating other animals. Basically, predators are carnivores. As we already talked about carnivores animals in the previous lecture, that the animal that eat only flesh of other animals are called omnivorous animals like lion, tiger, wolf, etc. So some animals have to protect themselves from predators. Animals like deer, frog, they have very strong legs, and these animals move very fast to escape from their predators just because they have very strong legs. That's why they protect themselves from predators. Some animals like elephant, whale, and hippopotamus, these animals don't need to protect themselves from predators because these animals are too big in size. Hence, they cannot be eaten easily by predators. Okay, hippopotamus, whales, elephant, these size are too big in size, hence they cannot be eaten easily by predator. That's why they don't need to protect themselves from predators. There are also some animals like tiger, owls, and grasshopper. These animals which are difficult to see. Why they are difficult to see? Because their body color is similar to their environment. This is known as camouflage. Animals like I said grasshopper, owl, tiger, they blend well with their surrounding, hence escape their predators. So how they protect themselves from predators? Because these animals are difficult to see because their body color is similar to their environment. That's why they easily escape their predators. So, some animals mimic or imitate other animals for protection. For example, caterpillar. Caterpillar mimics a snake in order to defend itself. When a predator comes around the caterpillar, the caterpillar start behaving or start mimic or imitate like a snake in order to defend itself, because when a predator comes around the caterpillar and they start behaving like snake, then the predator thinks that there is a snake around, not a caterpillar. That's why they easily defend itself. Hope you understand the adaptation for protection. Now let's start with adaptation to behavior. What are the points comes in the adaptation to behavior is hibernation, estivation and migration. As we all know that all the animals is not survive in every condition and every climate because of their different body structure. So let me explain you these points. So let's start with hibernation. What happens in hibernation that not all animals can survive the cold. Animals like bear, frog, lizard. These animals not survive in cold region or cold season. Cold season. That's why these animals sleep for several months to avoid the winter season. They wake up after the winter season get over. This is known as hibernation or winter sleep. So what is hibernation? Hibernation is basically a sleep for several months to avoid winter season. They wake up after the winter season get over. This is known as hibernation. The animals like bear, frog, lizard, they don't like winter season or not survive in winter season. That's why they sleep for several months to avoid winter season. And they wake up after the winter season get over. So what we call it? We call it hibernation or winter sleep. Now let's start with estivation. What is estivation? Some animals like crocodile, lungfish, crocodile and lungfish are not like a summer season. That's why they rest for long hours in the cool and shady places to protect themselves from high temperature. So they also slow down their activity in summers. So this is known as estivation or summer sleep. What is summer sleep? Is the sleep of several hours to protect themselves from high temperature. This is known as estivation. Animals like crocodile, lungfish, they do estivation. Now let's come to the third point, migration. As we know that the some birds don't like winter season because of shortage of food and changing climate. So they leave their homes and travel to warmer places where there is a plenty of food. That's why they move from warmer places in the search of food. Hence, once the winter season ends, they travel back to their home. This movement of animals from one region to another region according to the seasons of the year is known as migration. So basically what do you understand by migration? So migration is a movement of animals from one region to another region according to the seasons of the year is known as migration. And migration mostly do by birds because birds don't like winter season or don't survive. It's very difficult for birds to survive in winter season because of shortage of food and climate. Understand? So hope you all understand today's topic. I'll give you a one worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet in your previous year science notebook. Thank you.